My area of expertise has been for quite a long time Lotus Notes and Lotus Domino. So really, I have 30 years experience. The first version I ever got to work with was version 3, and now I know version 14. I know that now in June the 1st, the end of support will be for version 9 and version 10, which really was quite surprising for me to see version 10 on the same date, because version 9 has been around much longer. No, there is no extended support. Once that date is gone by, basically you have to, if you want to carry on getting support from HCL, you have to upgrade to either version 11 or 12. Domino is a very stable product. Unless you really want to take advantage of the functionality of version 11 or 12, you don't really have to upgrade with regards at least to the stability and functionality of the product itself. Maybe you will want it for the support that you get, but we all know that we have Origina for that. So really, you don't have to do it. You're quite safe with the product that you have. And with Origina's help, you have all the support you need. You can run it as long as you want. I mean, I've seen servers running for like 4 or 5 years without any restart, and just carry on. Not really. As I said, it's a very safe product. It's very flexible. And usually when we do find things, at least the security scanners detect, for example, things in the Java machine. Domino does have its own Java machine. They can be either the parts that they find something, they can be disabled. The product is flexible enough to allow, in most cases for that. It is interesting to know that Domino is one of the few products, and we're talking about a product that is over 30 years old, okay? And all through its history, it has never been hacked. Servers that have been set up properly, installed properly, they have never, ever been hacked. You can't install it on any virtual machine in the cloud. But what HCL has done, specifically thinking of the cloud, is to enable Domino, so they it has a Domino stack and can run on Docker, Kubernetes. This user that they use in the Lotus Notes client to access databases on the Domino server, and they needed a certificate, digital certificate from the government. All right, so they needed to have that installed in the Notes client, and they tried using the normal import, which obviously the client has, and it wouldn't work. It was a red alert, panic state. And the solution turned out because they needed the root and intermediate certificate as well, installed in the proper order, and after that it worked fine. But being an older client, digital signatures weren't really much common in version 8, so the process was very manual. So in that respect, the experience we could give from Origina and from me, I think it was a key to make a complicated problem easy and to find an easy solution.